What is going on, guys? We are making another truck review. I'm at my grandma's right now because my parents are in New Mexico. There's my sister. My bucket, of course. And we're home by ourselves. So let's get this thing started. So, yeah. Let's get this thing started.